A stitch in time saves nine. Proverb. Meaning of the proverb. The proverb "a stitch in time saves nine" means that if a torn piece of cloth is not stitched, then the tear will only get bigger with time. The reference is towards solving the problems faced or dispensing the responsibilities on time. Otherwise, they will only get bigger and unmanageable. The simple meaning is that the problems also get bigger like the tear if they are not attended immediately. Examples of the proverb. The principal told the students in the assembly, "If you want to do well in exams, then you should start studying from today because a stitch in time saves nine." When parents notice a bad habit in their child, they immediately take action to remove it. They do so because the life experience has taught them that a stitch in time saves nine. Origin of the proverb. The proverb "a stitch in time saves nine" is in use for a long time. Not much is known about the phrase's exact origin, though it first came to light in a book compiled by a British writer and physician, Thomas Fuller. In Fuller's work titled Nomologia, Adages and Proverbs, there appears a phrase which is slightly different from the one in question. The phrase appearing in the book was "a stitch in time may save nine." Later, the permissible "may" in the sentence was removed and it became "a stitch in time saves nine." Expansion of the proverb. "A stitch in time saves nine" states that a hole in a garment or cloth must be stitched immediately. Otherwise, it will lead to more holes in the future that would need more stitches. It is advisable not specifically limited to clothes but also to other aspects of life like problems and responsibilities. In other words, if we keep on postponing our responsibilities or neglect a problem thinking that it's too small to act, then in future the problems will only get bigger, requiring a larger effort. So it is wise to act when the problems are small, otherwise in the future one will have to pay a bigger price for negligence. Importance of the proverb. The proverb "a stitch in time saves nine" is an important advice for everyone. It does not target any specific individual or group. Rather, it teaches a lesson to people from different walks of life. It advises to carry out the responsibilities and immediately address a problem, howsoever small it might seem. To students, for instance, it advises to clear their doubts at the beginning itself, otherwise they will only get bigger with time, affecting their performance. Small doubts, when not cleared, will lead to bigger doubts and finally affecting the score. Similarly, the advice holds true for professionals as well. How many times have you neglected that small problem or postponed a responsibility because it seems just too small at that time? Have you noticed that with time that problem had only grown bigger. That's exactly what happens, and that's what the proverb warns us about. Short story on A Stitch in Time Saves Nine. There was a boy who had a habit of carelessness. He tends to be careless whether in studies or in anything else. His mother and teachers would often warn him, but he would not care. They'd tell him to study for a few hours every day in order to avoid stress during the examination. But the boy, as usual, would pay no heed to the advice. Every day he would think that it is just a single chapter that the teacher taught at school. I can study whenever I want. A couple of pages are not a big deal after all. Within a couple of months, exams came. The boy was in the sorriest state and looked worried. The couple of pages that he neglected reading every day had piled up in the form of a book. It was not possible to study the whole book within a couple of days that he had. However, his mother and teachers very generously came for his help and advised him on important topics. When the boy passed the exam and went on to thank his teachers, one of them named Mr. Nataraju told the boy to always remember that a stitch in time saves nine and never be negligent towards anything. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.